Andy, say hi to mommy. Hi, mommy. What a good way to mop the floor, Andy. Thank you very much. You set up like such a good boy. That looks so weird, like it's a time-lapse video or something. It looks better when you push him from behind. Hi, Annie. Whoa, baby. You got a hitchhiker there, buddy. Oh no, you dropped your blocky. Okay, thanks, Daddy.